Gold hunters, well, I'm back to the old favourite gully again after last trip, and yeah, hopefully tomorrow we'll get into it. Got here late tonight, so got a fire cranking. We've got a little visitor in the camp, a little bush rat. He's come out the last couple of times, and he's getting very friendly. I'll see if I can get him. Where's he going? There he is. You can see him? There you go. This is how friendly he's getting now. There you go, mate. There you go. He's a wild bush rat. Look at him. How cute is he, hey? Look, hey, give him a scratch. Give him a scratch. Hey, look at that. Patting. Look at him. He's loving a pat. He's a wild bush rat. He's just come up around the campfire. I'm just giving him a feed, and he's letting me give him a little pat. How cool's that? Hey? Welcome back, gold hunters. We're back in the bush again. So I'm decided to go downstream this time, and come across a little bit of workings here. You can see there's actually, I'm standing on a big mullock heap, and there's actually down here, I don't know if you can see that, there's a man-made rock wall. So I'm guessing this is another water race through here or something like that they were processing through. No reason I would have chocked that wall up. Anyway, just having to squeeze around this hole, and I've got myself a signal. So I'll give this a bit of a listen and get back in there. Just a bit tight. Just up here underneath this rock here. Hey, sounds nice. Anyway, let's have a scratch to get her out. She's shaping up to be a good day, gold hunters. First target of the day is gold. Look at that little guy. He's not bad. It'll be about a 0.2. You reckon? Yeah, nice little chunky bit. Good day to start the day. Woo-hoo-hoo. Alrighty, so just pulled that one piece just up there, and now I've got another signal. It's only a faint one. You can hear that. It's repeatable, so I'll give her a scratch and see if she livens up. Alright, we've given her a bit of a scratch and she's livening up, which is good. Alright, let's keep going, getting excited. Okay, get a little bit excited now, gold hunters. She's starting to scream a bit. Hopefully it's a bit of gold. I think she might be an alright bit, this one. Slight pick up on the surface, but we'll keep going. We're on again. Look at that. It's a beauty. Not a bad one at all. She was pretty deep too. Look at that. Slightest noise on the surface. Focus. Look at that. Come on. There we go. Yeah, not a bad little chunky bit. Cool. Might keep working this little pit, clear some leaves and debris out of the way, see if we can pick up any more. Alrighty, gold hunters, we could be on a hat trick here. First 3 targets of the day, first 3 gold. Fingers crossed. I've got another signal here. So the back side of this hole I'm working 1 nugget, 2 nuggets. And come up this end, just scraped a bit of logs and stuff out of the way. And again, got a nice little noise up the back here. Nice little signal there. So let's give her a scrape and see what happens, eh? Hopefully it's gold. Alrighty, she's livened quite a bit now. I took a good chunk off. That sounds nice. She's getting quite loud. I love those faint signals on the surface because usually they're a bigger piece once you start getting down. Anyway, let's get her out. And we're on. Woo! Got my first trifecta. First hat trick. First 3 targets. First 3 bits of gold. Never happened before, but today's my lucky day. Look at that guy. Yeah, big flat piece. Bit thin, but still, she's gold. That was deep too. Quite deep. Must have been sitting flat to pick that up, but you. Oh, just had a screaming target. And look what that is. It's an old axe. How goes that? Old old-timer's axe head. Bit of history behind that one. Back in the day. Very cool. Moved downstream a bit. And into a section here. Huge amount of workings. I don't know if you can see big holes. They've taken out the whole side of this hill. Big holes. Bit of a channel here. And all around behind me. This whole side of this hill's been taken out. And it's been a while since I had a target. About an hour. Had a good start to the day. But anyway, got another signal. A little chirpy one. Don't know if it's trash or gold yet, but doesn't sound too bad. Anyway, let's get her out. Well, that's my first leady for the day. Got to get him. Alright guys, it's been a while between drinks, I'll tell you. Not even a target for ages. It's starting to warm up a bit now. About 9:30 in the morning now. But anyway, I got a target. It was a faintest signal. It's in like this mullock heap. I'm hoping it's a bit of gold. It's a target at least, which is a good thing. Sounds alright, but also sounds lead shotty. But anyway, let's get her out. Finally, we're back on the board. Yay! A little chunker. A little nuggety little thing. But yeah, broken the drought at least. Well, that was a real pain in the ass. I don't know if you can see that, but it actually goes down to a big cavern or hole, like a big hole down there. And I was so worried I was going to drop it down that hole. Thank God I didn't. But you. Another screaming target. Came into, looks like what's left of a shovel. The old timers. In the right spot. Whew. Creek's down the bottom down there. Big old tree there, gummy. So yeah, beautiful day for it. Need some more gold. Alrighty, got a little signal inside of the hill there. Just a faint one. It's pretty chirpy, but sounds good. Sounds good, and it's in the dirt. It's in the hard dirt, so fingers crossed she's another bit. Stick her out. Another bit of gold. Yoo! Little chunker too. Little nuggy. Little ball. Yay! You. Now look at the size of this tree. It's fallen down. He's a monster. Goes all the way down there. Should have to be about 1.5 meters across in the guts. It's hard to tell the comparison, but it is huge. Huge big tree. Very cool. Well, I got an interesting one here. I found a quartz vein in the rock down here. Look at this, juicy looking vein too. Look at the colour of it. It's pretty ugly, but what's really interesting is this, signals. There's one up there and this one. Got 2 signals there, and that's in that quartz reef there. Might have to come back with the hammer and chisel one day, I think, and suss it out. It's definitely very interesting. Beautiful looking quartz. All vuggy too, all vuggy holes everywhere in it. I'll see if I can turn the light on and give you a look. There we go. See all the vuggy holes in it? Really, really nice looking quartz vein there. There's one target up here. And there's another one about here somewhere. Yeah, very cool. Alright, it's 4 o'clock. Making my way back to camp now. Got a little signal in the wall here on this little waterfall. See if we can find it. Gonna be a tricky one. Got an interesting one now, another one. Yeah, the target was actually in. See this stuff? It's like decomposed or hard packed clay. It just breaks apart. I chisel and it's like it breaks up really easy. And got the target out. It's in the scoop. Listen. That was the faintest noise on the surface. I've dug it out. I reckon it's in one of these hard packed pieces. Oh, I think I can see it. There it is. It's a bit of gold. A bit of gold in the sand, in the hard sandstone packed stuff. Look at that. Ugh. Nice little chunker. Good way to finish the day. On an even number 2, 6 for the day. Cool. Oh, there he is, he's back. He's back again. Just climb on my shoe. Yeah, mate. There you go. There you go. Hey, look at him. Hey, oh, hello, mate. Oh, that's so cool. What can we name him? Hey, we can name him Bob, I reckon. Here you go, Bob. Chilling by the fire. What you doing? Hey? What you doing? What you doing? You're still hungry. You're still hungry. Oh, you're coming up for a ride. Climbing up my boots. Look at you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Do some more. I love it.